What's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And people, we got DW back in the house, and the guy is definitely bringing the noise as he always does. Now, the watch face that we're going to review right now by DW is called DW67 Digital Color. Nice look. I'm liking the layout, and even in the always on mode, you're going to get a decent digital time, but we're going to focus on the watch face when it's on. So let's have a look at it. Now, if you look at the top, you're going to get a moon phase over here. You're going to get your date at the top. You're going to get a nice digital time, animated seconds, battery info, get your health information down at the bottom like floors climbed, calories burned, heart rate, miles walked around. You're also going to get information on floors climbed, and you got a nice red second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that looks really good, by the way. Adds a nice sense of character. I like that. Now, what I like about this watch face most of all, which I have not seen on the watch face yet, this is the first for me. Maybe I'm behind. So if I double tap right here, I could change the color of each one, not just the whole thing, but each one. You get like 7 different colors in all that you could change this to, people. I thought this was definitely a good look. I thought the developer got down on this one, right? It's nice. So let's go ahead, let's tap here, and I could change the color theme of the digital time as well. Also for the day, so whatever I want to mix and match with, I can. I can have it white, I can have it red, I can have it green, I can have it all different kind of colors as I so see fit. So I thought the developer really got creative with this one. I don't know if more developers are going to be doing this one, but this one is nice. So if I tap on the moon phase, I will be able to get my weather. Let's come down and tap on the battery. Of course, I get my settings here. And right here, I get my health information. If I tap right here. So the developer offers you tons of applications for you to tap into to make life a little bit more convenient when you have this watch face on, as DW does. He always does a good job with giving you exactly what you need on the watch face. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what did you think of this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one. Me personally, DW did his thing as always. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.